Hi, Dawn Lewis here. I'm back with another unboxing video. I have my scalpel because Waffleflower has arrived. Yes, I'm so excited. So I thought we'd open this baby up together. I have not cracked it at all, but I'm very excited to see what's in here. I mean, I know what I ordered, but I ordered it 2 weeks ago and I've kind of forgotten what I ordered. So let's see what's inside. All right. Yeah. See, these stamp companies, they pack these things so well. There's always paper in the top, so when I cut through the top, I'm not damaging the stock. Aren't they amazing? Alrighty. Ooh, oh, I'd forgotten about this. It's been a while since I ordered from Waffleflower, and I had forgotten that they actually tie everything together with twine. And there's a trick to untying it, and I can't remember what it is. Darn it. I wish I could remember what it was. All right. Oh, you know what? I'm just going to have to untwine them later. All right. Here's what we've got. Okay, this is the color wheel combo. When you get a combo from Waffleflower, it comes in this very awesome storage pocket. Now, these cost money to buy individually. And when you buy a combo, and that is the stamps and the coordinating dies, you not only get this storage pocket for free, this is actually better value than if you were to buy them separately. So if you're considering buying a Waffleflower stamps and dies, highly recommend getting the combo. In fact, if you order both, I will just automatically order you the combo because it's a better deal and you get this pretty, isn't it pretty, the pretty storage pocket. Now it's a weekend and it's a Saturday morning here, so you're going to hear the family moving about, but they usually know when they hear me talking to myself not to come in the office. All right, next one, color swatches. Ooh, now I've seen these are great for swatching out your distress inks and your watercolors and your Copics and your Zig Clean real brush whatever markers, but you can actually use them to make really fun backgrounds on cards, on albums, all that kind of thing. So if you're really into your art media, these are beautiful sets. Again, this is the combo, and it comes with this guide in the back, which is super helpful. Ooh, Christmas stuff. Alrighty. So, ooh, more stuff. Okay. Gingerbread house. Oh, isn't it cute? I think it's really cute. You've got the little house front and back. There's a little door. There's a little chimney. I don't know what that is, but I will endeavour to find photos, pop them into the listing in the shop so that when you look at it, you can see exactly what you need to do with it. All right, gingerbread house, Christmas stuff. Oh, okay. This is called the swatch tag. So this goes with all the swatchy stuff. And yeah, somebody ordered this in as a pre-order, but that means, because I have to order 2 of everything minimum, there's a spare to go in the shop. So if you've been looking for a swatch tag of some sorts, this might be the one you're looking for. All right, the family's just way too loud. My husband's doing the dishes. That man, that's a bit my favorite present. I love it. I'm going to come out of doing this video and I'm going to have a clean sink and it's going to make me so happy that I'm going to bake something. Okay, what's next? Oh, one of my personal favorites, embroidery hoops. I love this die set. You get 3 different sized embroidery hoops and they're just the most amazing frame. I love to cut multiples and stack them up on top of each other for a bit of dimension. They pair beautifully with the cross stitch sets that are designed by Pumpkin Stitch. I think it's Pumpkin Stitcheries. I don't know, but they're really cool and I try to link to similar things when I put them in the shop, but I have a video, maybe a couple of videos using this set, so I'll link them down below. But I love this embroidery set, probably because I teach embroidery and I love doing embroidery. I may be a little biased. Oh, this is fun. This set is called Insta Love and it's kind of like modern Polaroid frame dies. So whereas the old-fashioned 70s, 80s Polaroids are the square ones with the big piece down the bottom, this is more your Instax kind of thing. And we've got 3 dies. This tiny one, you could use that as a phone. So if you've got the Lawn Fawn sets called Screen Time, or there's some Ellie selfie or something like that, anything camera-ish, or you want to make one of your little critters on your card look like they have a camera, that is the one that you need. Really, oh, I didn't know that would be quite so cute when I ordered it. Okay, this is a new one. This one is called Sweet Treats. And we've got this cute little cake stand and all these little goodies to go with it. Oh, calories don't count on your birthday. Oh, you know what? I'm going with that. There's nothing more that I love to do, especially for my mum on her birthday, for Mother's Day, is we take her for high tea at my favourite local cakery cafe. It's called Cake and Plate. Girls they just do such amazing sweet treats, and they have a beautiful shop. It's worth a look. If you're on the New South Wales Central Coast, go check out Cake and Plate at Niagara Park. They're wonderful. But yeah, they serve up a beautiful high tea. Oh, there's even tiny little macarons. Oh, that's so cute. I didn't even notice that. So there's a stack of macarons, and then there's a little teeny tiny one. We also like to do, I have a tea party for my birthday every year. I love it. Interactive cards. We can't seem to get away from these interactive cards. This is pull tabs. It's a great die set for doing pull tab interactive cards. Lots of options there, lots of sized cutout thingies, lots of sized tabs. It pairs really nicely with Pull Here by Lawn Fawn. And oh, wow. Oh, this is color swatches for ink pads. It's a tiny, look how tiny this set is, like next to my head. How tiny that is. I think that's a 2x3 inch set. Let me do a measurement. 2x3. Yeah, it is. So if you want to swatch out your ink pads, which is something I like to do, especially when hunting through all my distress inks, sometimes I just want to look at them on a page and pick my color from that. How cute is that? Look, you could do some great geometric backgrounds with that as well. Fantastic on gift tags. It's small for a gift tag. Oh, I like that. Oh, I tell you what, if somebody else doesn't snap up that second one, I think I will. All right, another new one, and we're Christmassy. This is called Cookie Time. Oh, it's so cute. This one is designed by Camo. She's designed a bunch of stamps. So Waffleflower have different artists who design exclusively for them. And this girl has done some really cool things. I also like that you could use this not just for Christmas. You could definitely do this with any cookie baking. Yes, I know that the kids have got little pointy hats, but you know, who doesn't love a kid in a pointy hat any time of the year? So cute. Oh, if you were having a cookie exchange or a baking day or something like that, great for lunchbox notes, but also for Christmas, because we've got all this Christmas paraphernalia, but birthdays as well, because you could use the bunting for that. She also designed the Jungle birthday set, which I really like. I think that one's cute. Big stamps, more stuffing. Ooh, ooh, oh, wow. I ordered this on a whim. This is designed by Helen Dardick. Bouquet Builder 2. Wow. Oh my goodness. 3 massive blooms with sentiments: hello, get well soon, celebrate, love you, and beautiful. Oh, wow. Look at these. These are so beautiful. I don't know if you can see them because I've got a lot of reflection. That's one of the downsides to natural light in my office. Beautiful daisies, a great big peony bloom. I'm going to call that a magnolia from experience. Oh, stunning bouquet builder 6x8 stamp set. Ooh. Oh, now, I also ordered the colour wheels separately. So this is just the stamp set without the dies. Colour wheels is what you're looking for if you're looking to find it in the shop. I also got in the swatches, the colour swatches separately as well. So one of this pair is going out to a pre-order, but the other one will go in the shop. So there's other little sentiments in here, like you've got your mass tone and all of your little technical stuff here, but manufacturer, brand, series, tube, pan, ink, liquid, pigment, paper, name, and die. So you can swatch out so much of your stuff here. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, this is a reorder. It's called Rainbows. Oh, I love this set. It has so many. Happiness is... Always look for, create your own, I'm over there, and there's rainbow in different sizes. Sending you a you are my of happiness, so you are my rainbow of happiness. On a cloudy day of wishes, wishing you rainbows and everything wonderful. Oh, everything is in scripty font as well. On your birthday, with birthday in the scripty font. Live life colourfully. Oh, happy, happy birthday, you colour my world. With cupcakes, donuts, lollipops, and a tiny little rainbow and a tiny little cloud. Oh, that's so cute. Now, there is a die that goes with this, which is the word rainbows. And if you just want rainbow, you can just cut the S off the end. It's tiny, it's petite, and it's that beautiful scripty font. Oh, finally. Oh, yay. So in the shop for ages, I have had Hooray dies didn't realise the stamps were sold out, and no, who wants the dies without the stamps, am I right? So Hooray is back in stock, also designed by Helen Dardick, and it's really cute. I love these little whimsical folk, and this kitty in a jumper. I know, and there's a little duck. There's a duck with a toupee. I mean, seriously, they're just beyond adorable. Oh, we're getting down to the small stuff. Oh, hallelujah. Okay. So I've had dies in store for ages for this set. It's called Special Delivery, and I have a feeling it's about to be retired. And it's this cool Santa sack, and the sentiments here fit into the square in the middle. So we've got You've Been Nice, Special Delivery, and Merry Xmas. I am going to be bundling these with the dies, and I'm going to be putting them at a very good bundle price. So, oh, I'm at the end. Just one more. This one is called Hello. I should have done this one first and said Hello. So this set is Hello, also designed by Camo, who designed, I hope I'm saying that right, maybe it's Camo or Camo. Oh, someone will have to correct me if you know. Beautiful little waving kitties, and a kitty and a puppy and a star and a sentiment that reads, just waving hello. Oh, so cute. Oh, I haven't ordered from Waffleflower directly in ages. This feels so good. So another box to go on the stack. Okay, so if you've seen something that you love, all of the products are going to be linked below, as well as just a general link to my Waffleflower section. I am also going to link to some projects I've done using Waffleflower stamps and dies. And if you are looking for Waffleflower in Australia, you can find it at dawnlewis.com.au. If you would like to order something in, perhaps you've seen something from Waffleflower, I don't have it in the shop or it's out of stock, go to the website, click the pre-order tab, fill in the form, and assuming that it's in stock with the supplier, I will love to get that in for you. So I do hope that you have a very crafty day. Thanks for joining me for this unboxing, and I will see you next time. Bye.